Have you ever wondered why groceries suddenly cost more? Why interest rates go up and your mortgage payment follows? Or why it feels harder to find a job during some years than others? All of this comes down to one thing: the economy. But here's the truth. The economy is not just about governments, banks, or big companies. The economy is about you. Today, let's break it down in simple terms. At its core, the economy is simply how money, goods, and services move between people. Think about your daily life. You go to work and earn a salary. You use that money to buy food, pay rent, fuel your car. Businesses use your payments to pay their workers. Those workers then spend their income too. This cycle is what keeps the economy running. A simple way to think about it: the economy is a giant system where everyone's financial decisions are connected. When people spend more, businesses grow. When businesses grow, they hire more workers. When workers earn more, they spend more, and the cycle continues. You might think, I'm not an economist. Why should I care? Because the economy affects 5 major areas of your life. 1. Your cost of living. If inflation rises, food becomes more expensive, rent increases, transportation costs go up. Even if your salary stays the same, your purchasing power falls. That's why the economy determines how far your money goes. 2. Your job security. When the economy is strong, businesses grow, hiring increases, salaries improve. But when the economy slows down, companies cut costs, hiring freezes happen, layoffs increase. 3. Your loans and mortgage. Interest rates are set based on economic conditions. When inflation is high, central banks raise rates. That means higher mortgage payments, more expensive car loans. 4. Your investments and savings. Stock markets, real estate, and retirement savings depend on the economy. A growing economy often boosts investments. Understanding the economy helps you make smarter financial decisions. 5. Your business or side hustle. If people are spending more, businesses thrive. If people cut back, sales drop. Let's look at a real-life example. Imagine fuel prices go up. Here's what happens. Transportation costs increase. Food delivery becomes more expensive. Grocery prices rise. Families spend more on essentials. One price change spreads through the entire economy. That's how connected everything is. Understanding the economy helps you plan better and spend smarter. If you found this helpful, follow this page.